To connect a printer with Pixel 10, first we need to open settings on our device. Next step is to look for connected devices and then connection preferences. Inside we'll be able to find the printing. Click on it and then you can find the default print service. Make sure that it's on. And it will search for a printer, and you can try right here. If it detects your printer, then you can click on it and start printing already. Although in most of the cases it won't work, as you will need to find a dedicated way how to enter pairing mode on your printer. Each model will have a different way, so I recommend to watch a video or just read a manual for your printer. Then you can click on plus add service right here. If you go back and select your printer brand, download a plugin for it, and then it should show up right here. Click on it and then find your printer in the pairing list. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.